Okay, what all did you do?
I put tap water in. It's not so clean from the other experiments I did, but I did another to show you guys. So put the salt, the pepper in the waters.
So there's tap water in there, and now there's pepper.
Yes. Now you need to get your finger in
Okay.
soap.
So you're gonna put finger in soap. Woo!
And it works. If you put too much pepper, it won't work. Like if you put a whole bottle of pepper.
Oh, I can see that. So you have to maintain a certain ratio.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
You can kind of do it a second time.
You can keep doing it. Very good.